Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video I am going to tell you of topic statistics greater than cumulative frequency Ogive curve case of exercise 14.4. So this is a given question. Heights of the people of the particular school are given. Draw greater than cumulative frequency and find the median height from it. So this is the data. Now draw vertical columns guys, these two columns, and three more columns we need to take extra. That is lower boundary. For less than cumulative frequency we will take upper boundary. For greater than cumulative frequency, for less than cumulative frequency we take upper boundary. For greater than cumulative frequency we take lower boundary. Okay, now and next column is greater than cumulative frequency and xy, that is a coordinates, points. Now in the third column take down lower boundary 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Okay, now greater than cumulative frequency, take the sum of this frequency, this column is a frequency column, take the sum, we get 32, and subtract each observation. 32 minus 5, 27, 27 minus 2, 25, 25 minus 3, 22, like that we get 6 guys. Okay, now this lower boundary is x column and greater cumulative frequency is the y column. Now what are the ordered coordinates? 90, 32, 100, 27, 110, 25, 120, 22, 130, 14, 140, 6. These are the points we need to plot on the graph paper. Now, so a scale guys, ఇక్కడ మనకి వాల్యూస్ 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఇవి గ్రాఫ్ పైన సరిపోవు కాబట్టి we can take the scale guys. We should consider the scale because these values are not sufficient on the graph paper. So for that purpose I took 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. So I took 10 gap. Then it will be sufficient. Now y-axis G.C.F guys, that is greater cumulative frequency. I took 2 units gap for this because even 32 also not sufficient on the graph paper. So I am taking 2 units gap. Now let's start the graph guys. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ 90, 32 ఉంది కదా, అది గ్రాఫ్ ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తాం. సి ఫస్ట్ మనము ఇక్కడ గ్రాఫ్ వేసుకోండి. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫస్ట్ గ్రాఫ్ డ్రా చేసుకోండి. ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ పైన లోవర్ బౌండరీ, ఓకే, అండ్ y axis మీద cumulative frequency guys, greater than cumulative frequency. Okay, I have wrote here G.C.F, but don't write with pen guys on the graph paper. Now first value is first entama value, first value is 90, 32. Okay, 90, 32. X is 90, this is 32 guys. So ఇక్కడ plot చేయండి. Second value 100, 27. How can we do? 100, 27. ఇంకా 26 వరకే రాసాం కాబట్టి 2 ఇంకా 2 points extra తీసుకోండి. Take 2 more extra points. Okay, like that we mark all the points of these guys. Okay, then draw a scale. Then that is called the Ogive curve, and they are asking to find the median height also. Median height from the table, from the data. That one how can we find? మీరు ఇలా పాయింట్స్ అన్ని ప్లాట్ చేసి పెన్సిల్తో డ్రా చేశాక now we need to find the median also. That one how can we find? See here in the given table n is 32, right? N value is 32. Okay, now we have to take the fraction guys, that is n by 2. the formula. So 32 by 2, that is 16. Okay, so 16 observation ekkada undo chuskondi. So where is the 16 observation from the graph? 16 observation is here, right? So draw a horizontal line and to this curve and draw the vertical line also. So this point. So this point is called the median, guys. So where we got on the x-axis. So we got around 120, 127.5. We got 120 ki 130 ki middle lo undi kada. So 127.5. So that is the median. Okay. I hope you understand this graph. This is very, very important for 4 marks questions, guys. Okay. If any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Okay. Go through this video once again. It is compulsory question for 4 marks question. This is greater than cumulative frequency, guys. In the previous video, we discussed about less than cumulative frequency. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.